Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
Hi, I'm Matt Tapolito.
We're so excited about this beautiful, unique listing we have here in Los Altos Hills. Now imagine living in a brand new home in Los Altos Hills, about 5,400 square feet on 1.5 acre lot. Everything inside the house is basically state-of-the-art equipment and upgrades. Oh my gosh, this is a really nice property, Matt. What do you think?
This is one of those homes that you look at and you say, this is completely over the top in such a great way. The community is such an incredible addition to what's going on in Los Altos. Please come and visit us and take a look at this gorgeous home.
Welcome to 12874 Viscaino Road. Nestled in a serene hillside setting in Los Altos Hills is this newly built luxurious estate. A private motorized gate with telecom control grants entrance to this stunning two-story ultra-modern home that exudes opulence, style, and warmth. A custom solid oak door invites you into a smart, Wi-Fi controlled home with an expansive floor plan. The primary residence offers 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths with a generous living area overlooking a resort-style backyard through multi-paneled floor-to-ceiling glass doors. A gourmet kitchen with Miele stainless steel appliances, an enormous center island, porcelain slab countertops, Grohe faucets with water filtration, and European cabinetry opens up to the stunning living and dining area. A 72-inch gas fireplace, custom 50-bottle walk-in wine fridge, Sonos audio system, and soundproof insulation installed throughout makes this home perfect for everyday luxury living as well as entertaining family and friends. Wide plank luxury European engineered flooring and high cathedral ceilings add to the ambiance of this magnificent estate. The impressive master suite boasts gorgeous views, a lavish walk-in closet with custom built-ins, and an exotic master bath with jetted spa tub, LED mirrors, and a wonderful view of the outdoors. This home has been expertly designed to take full advantage of the stunning panoramic views. The backyard is an oasis that boasts a spectacular heated infinity pool and spa with gorgeous hillside views. The expansive area is covered in high-quality, lush artificial turf and offers a relaxing atmosphere. The upstairs 2-bed, 2-bath ADU with high-end Thermador stainless steel appliances is ideal for extended family or additional income. With a 30-panel solar system, 3 EV car charging ports, access to the Fremont Country Club, and acclaimed Palo Alto Schools, this magnificent compound is waiting for you to come and experience all that life has to offer.
Thank you for coming to our tour.
As you saw, it's a great opportunity, and Matt, I'm super curious to find out who's going to be that lucky buyer who will get to enjoy this property with their family and friends.
And they will be very, very fortunate and very happy that they came into this beautiful community.
That is right. If you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.